Menteri Ketenat Region uba AL-HEC ulak pentip ba ke sorkar kelakdon ke Jaka Bante ya ke Veterinary College ha Kyrdem Kulai Ribhoi District. Abakren ha ke sengi baar uba AL-HEC ulak ong ba lakdon ke Jingterwa Bante ya kene ke college sya ke sorkar India bahkan ai pisa bat kumju ya ke Veterinary Hospital. Ulak ong ba ke sorkar ke don praspa akar tam ha ke te ke Jaka balada don kam la ban ai shispa ne aspa akar Bante ya kene ke college bat ke veterinary kam don jing ban a ya kene ke jaka na ke benta kene ke jing tmu kat kum ke jing ong menteri ke jing pen kre pen krum bat ke jing pen biang bante ya kene ke college kala ya shai bat kermen ban yo ya ke jing mang pisa na ke sarkar India.
Now we are preparations the proposal, the concept notes to have the veterinary college in Meghalaya. So we proposes we have got land in Kyrdem Kulai. So we propose for the veterinary college. So already we have sent for the veterinary hospital to the government of India from PM Divine scheme. Hope that we will be getting sanction for the veterinary hospital there at Upar.
So for the veterinary college, the land, how much is it that you all intend to acquire? How big is it going to be? And
Now we have land almost more than 800 acres. If we require 100 acres, 200 acres, the veterinary department has no problem to part the land for the veterinary college.
What is the project cost?
That is not yet, DPR has not been made.
okay. But it plans to accommodate how many students, like what the basics and all that.
That all the details it is because it has to be affiliated with the like the UGC and all, but this is maybe not in with UGC. It has to give the intake. Like now we also have our own nursing college. The other like Rapsbun Nursing College, like the own state nursing college, like the Woodland Nursing College. Somebody are getting 20, somebody are getting 10, somebody are getting 40, but our intake is 60. Our nursing college is 60. So like that only, how much intake they will give from Meghalaya, we don't know.